Hello bros, Robo Quiz is back. Have you ever imagined Italian brainrot animals but baby version part 2? We'll also bring you funny Italian brainrot meme moments ahead. Don't take your eyes off because there are surprise gifts among special rounds waiting for you to explore. The first section, let's check out Italian brainrot animals as baby version part 2. Please click the like button and get ready to the game. Tigrolini Watermelini as baby. Tirilikalika Tirilikalako as baby. Glorbo Fritodrilo as baby. Pakra Matmamat as baby. Rhino Tosterino as baby. Blagbur Borbur Patapim as baby. Tung Tung Sahur as baby. Frigo Camelo as baby. Our first special gift for you today. Imagine Tung Tung Sahur as future version would look like which character? There are more surprises among the next special round. Keep playing. Hotspot Bro as baby. Bombinbini Gusini as baby. Greypussy Medusi as baby. Persona Signora as baby. Cacasito Satellito as baby. Lirilla as baby. Giraffa Celeste as baby. Spaghetti Toaletti as baby. Here is our next special gift for you guys. Another surprising future version of Italian brainrot animals are waiting for you in the next special rounds. Now let's move in to guess the Italian brainrot animals by voice and emoji challenge. Subscribe to our channel and get ready. First one, can you guess this voice?
Tung 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 sahur. Anomali mengerikan yang hanya.
All right, tung tung sahur.
Tung 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 sahur. Anomali mengerikan yang hanya keluar pada sahur. Konon katanya kalau ada orang yang dipanggil sahur 3 kali dan tidak nyaut.
Next, check out this funny moment and guess.
Sigma boy. Sigma.
Good job, Sigma Boy.
Sigma boy. Sigma. 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 Boy boy. Sigma boy. Sigma boy.
Can you recognize this transformation?
Chimpanzini, bananini.
Bananita dolphinita.
Chimpanzini, bananini. Chimpanzini, bananini.
Who's behind this look?
Frulli frulla. Un pinguino nel deserto che fa bla bla bla. Con antenne.
Frulli frulla.
Frulli frulla. Un pinguino nel deserto che fa bla bla bla. Con antenne sopra il dorso prende la TV. E la tazza di caffè gli fa un cenno così.
Here's another round. Can you guess correctly?
Ramararam raraman raraman. Ramararam raraman raraman.
Grammaraman.
Ramararam raraman raraman. Ramararam raraman raraman. Ramararam raraman raraman. Ramararam raraman.
Moving on, this animal is much harder.
La vacca Saturno Saturnita. De frente tu sei tanto bonita. Con il corpo.
La vaca Saturno Saturnita. Keep watching. You're getting closer to the special round.
The Pedro moves just like a vino. Slick wings, thick calls for the.
Yes, Spinguero Galubiro.
The Pedro moves just like a vino. Slick wings, thick calls for the body.
Miro, colupino, internet casino.
One more round and see our next gift.
Ta 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 ta. Sahur. Ada kejadian misterius.
Ta 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 sahur. Here we go. The next gift is ta 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 sahur. Exciting, right? The most terrific gifts still waiting for you at the end of the video. Keep watching. Back to the guessing game. Who is this Italian Brainrot?
Ecco cavallo virtuoso, uno show strepitoso. Era una volta un cavallo
Ecco cavallo virtuoso.
Ecco cavallo virtuoso, uno show strepitoso. Era una volta un cavallo stravagante, testa di equino, corpo brillante, non di muscoli né di velluto.
Keep playing. The special gift is still ahead.
Oh, hook, 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 hook. Es una criatura casma.
Correctly, Pippi Potato.
Pippi potato. Hook, 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 hook. Es una criatura casma que habita dans selva magical wire cos'è batatis.
Next, we have another meme for you.
Tirilikalika Frigo.
Tigroli Grapefruitoni.
Tirilikalika Frigo.
is this? La boo 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 boo! Very well. La boo boo. La boo 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 boo! Next round, who do you think?
Bombardino crocodilo, bombardino crocodilo.
Bombardino crocodilo.
Bombardino crocodilo, bombardino crocodilo.
Can you recognize this transformation?
Brr brr patapim, il mio cappello è pieno di slim, nel bosco fitto e misterioso.
Buigur burpur patim.
Brr brr patapim, il mio cappello è pieno di slim, nel bosco fitto e misterioso. Viveva un essere assai curioso. Pieno di slim, nel bosco fitto e misterioso. Viveva un essere assai curioso. Brr brr patapim, il mio cappello è pieno di slim, nel bosco fitto e misterioso.
Next Italian brainrot animal. Burbaloni Luilo. Save the best for the last. Who is this?
Era una volta un cactus gigante, svinino bombondino, elegante.
Cacto and Sivinino.
Era una volta un cactus gigante, svinino bombondino, elegante, come alghe.
Now Bananita Dolfinita as future version. Imagine and wait for it. Here comes the gift for you. All right, Robo Quiz hope that you guys have had exciting moment through the challenge. You can pick your next challenges right below. And if you find our quiz interesting, please like and subscribe to Robo Quiz so that we'll be really motivated to creating more funny quiz show for you guys. Bye-bye and see you soon.